Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Chevy GMC's 2001 to 2010 Silverado and Sierra 2500 HD. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Unbolt the shock with an 18mm socket and 21mm wrench. Then, move your shock out of the way. Cut off the factory rear shock mount as well as any obstructions in the work area. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Hold your rear shock mount up to the rear fuel tank crossmember using the factory part silhouette to help with the alignment. Make sure the top of your rear shock mount is flush with the top of your crossmember. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your rear shock mount onto the crossmember before welding it on fully. Step 4. Reinstall your shock with an 18mm socket and 21mm wrench. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done!